My beloved children, today, I come to you with a message of unity, a reminder of your profound connection to the universal energy and wisdom that permeates all existence. Throughout the ages, humanity has sought answers, yearning to understand the mysteries of life and the purpose of their existence. In this quest for knowledge and meaning, you have often forgotten the inherent interconnectedness that binds you together with the fabric of the cosmos. In the vast expanse of the universe, you are not separate entities but integral parts of a greater whole. Just as the cells in your body work in harmony to sustain your physical being, so too are you intertwined with the energy that flows throughout creation. Every thought, every action, and every intention ripples through the interconnected web, shaping the collective consciousness and influencing the tapestry of existence. Humanity, in its diversity, possesses a rich tapestry of experiences, beliefs, and perspectives. Each of you is a unique expression of the divine, carrying within you the spark of universal consciousness. It is in embracing this diversity and recognizing the beauty in your differences that you will uncover the true potential of your collective existence. Wisdom, dear ones, is not the exclusive domain of a select few. It flows through the rivers of time, patiently waiting for those who are willing to listen and learn. It is a vast reservoir of knowledge, acquired through countless lifetimes and shared experiences. Wisdom is not confined to any particular culture, religion, or tradition. It transcends the boundaries that humanity has erected, for it is the birthright of every soul that walks this earthly plane. Open your hearts and minds, my beloved children, to the teachings of the universe. Seek wisdom in the whispering of the wind, the dancing of the stars, and the rhythm of your own breath. Look beyond the superficial differences that separate you and discover the common threads that bind you together: the yearning for love, the pursuit of happiness, and the search for meaning. In unity, you will find strength. It is in recognizing the shared essence of your being that you will transcend the limitations of individual perspectives and unlock the immense power that lies dormant within you. The energy of the universe is ever present, waiting to be harnessed by those who have awakened to their divine potential. To achieve this unity, you must embrace love and compassion as guiding principles in your lives. Love is the universal language that transcends all barriers, bridging the gaps between cultures, religions, and ideologies. When you approach one another with love, you create space for understanding, acceptance, and growth. Let love guide your thoughts, words, and actions, for it is the purest expression of your connection to the universal energy. Remember, my dear children, that unity does not mean conformity. It is not the erasure of individuality, but the celebration of diversity. Each of you is a unique facet of the divine, endowed with unique talents, gifts, and perspectives. In unity, you complement one another, pooling your strengths and transcending your limitations. As you embrace unity with the universal energy and wisdom, you will witness the transformation of your world. It is through collective effort, rooted in love and guided by wisdom, that you will address the pressing challenges that humanity faces. Let your actions reflect your understanding of the interconnectedness of all life, for in doing so, you will heal not only yourselves but also the planet that cradles you. My beloved children, the path of unity is not without challenges. It requires courage, humility, and a willingness to let go of the illusions of separation that have plagued humanity for eons. But in the embrace of unity, you will find liberation, purpose, and a sense of belonging that transcends the limitations of the material world. Know that I am always with you, guiding and supporting you as you embark on this journey of unity. The universal energy and wisdom are ever present, ready to illuminate your path and uplift your spirits. Trust in the power of unity, for it is through your collective efforts that you will create a world filled with love, peace, and harmony. May your hearts be open to the infinite possibilities that lie before you. Embrace the universal energy that flows through your veins, and let the wisdom of the ages be your guiding light. In unity, you shall find the answers you seek and the fulfillment your souls crave. With boundless love and eternal grace, God.